applause for all the contestants. This is their first act. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you our opening segment. Woohoo!
So long for them to come up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you all the contestants of Miss Bharat USA 2025. Of judgment this year, we have pre-teens, teens, Miss, Mrs, Mr. and Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, all together we have 35 contestants for Miss Bharat USA 2025.
introduces a fresh new chapter in entertainment, bringing inspiring stories, cultural celebration, and community-focused programming to viewers across the nation. With a commitment to quality, content, and a vision to connect diverse audience, My Dream TV USA aims to be yours go-to destination for creativity, information, and meaningful entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for My Dream TV USA. Stories and content that actually hits different. We are all about presenting culture, creativity, and the voices that matters. Think bold, think relatable, think binge-worthy, because this TV made for today's generation. Welcome to our new favorite screen space, My Dream TV USA. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we conclude our opening act. Please give it up for our Mrs. category of Miss Bharat USA 2025.
And now we are going to begin with our ethnic round for the Mrs. category. I am hoping they are all set and ready to begin the ethnic round. All right, so we can see that the Mrs. contestants have lined up and we are going to begin in 1 minute. All right, so a couple of the contestants are wearing their heels. Do you know how hard it is to be on the heels the entire day? And I think they have really worked so hard. It's very difficult for all the judges tonight because every contestant is better than other one. Like each contestant is so much awesome. We've seen them during the grooming sessions. They have put in so much of hard work and efforts over months and months of practice. So judges, please be alert and may the best contestant win, okay? Are our Mrs. contestants ready? Judges, are you ready? Awesome, so we are going to begin. We are going to begin with our ethnic round. Woo! Look at our gorgeous Mrs. contestants! All right. Amazing, aren't they beautiful? All right, let's begin our Mrs. Bharat USA. So our contestant number 1, please step forward. Shilpika Doijore. She's a realtor working in New Jersey, a passionate fashionista, a mom of 2, and a person with multiple hobbies and interests. Apart from her realtor career, she's had great experiences in the field of medical sciences. Her favorite mantra in life is dream on until the dream comes true. With a fierce, never give up attitude and compassionate heart, she desires to do something of service for others, especially for children suffering from terminal illnesses like cancer. Give it up for contestant number 1.
Shut down in 3, 2, 1.
Then we have next contestant number 2, Sandeep Kaur. Sandeep is an accountant by profession and a dedicated volunteer teacher at Gurudwara Sahib, Charlotte. She believes that helping youngsters connect with their cultural roots empowers them to embrace their true services, seeds, and build a brighter future. Sandeep enjoys pizza and fruits, and she loves to travel, dance, and stay active because it keeps her happy and vibrant. And that is our contestant number 2. Next, we have contestant number 3, Shravani Reddy. Introducing Shravani is a content creator and a proud wife who believes that confidence begins with kindness to ourselves. Tonight, she stands here with gratitude and grace for every woman rewriting her destiny. As a wife, creator, and modern Indian woman, she is here to celebrate every woman who is stepping into her true self, embracing beauty that shines through strength, purpose, and a powerful inner light. That was our contestant number 3. Contestant number 4, put your hands together. Tanvi Malpekar. Representing Virginia, she's a woman who turned adversity into advocacy and scars into strength. A burn survivor, animal rescuer, and a champion for underprivileged voices, she walks this stage not just with grace, but with a mission to create an everlasting impact. Get ready to meet a force of courage and compassion. Please welcome Tanvi Malpekar. Contestant number 5, Navya Shri Gopal Krishna. She proudly represents Bethel, Connecticut, USA, known for her passion, creativity, and self-expression. She is a mom, wife, and daughter, as well as compensation specialist by profession. She thrives in modeling youth empowerment, mental stability, and fitness. Creative and ambitious, she uses her voice and talent to inspire others to embrace their true beauty, purpose, and positive change. And that is our contestant number 5, Navya Shri Gopal Krishna. Next, we have contestant number 6, Preeti Malik. A financial professional and real estate investor by profession, she's also a passionate community leader who has uplifted her culture. Known for her resilience, she faces every challenge with grace and determination, and credits her greatest strength, her patience, for guiding her forward. She's a mother of 2 daughters, and her hobbies are singing, dancing, traveling. She's a giver at heart, driven by kindness, selflessness, and generosity. Through this platform, her mission is to inspire women to believe in themselves, chase their dreams boldly, and live life with purpose. She wants to empower women to rise, lead, and shine confidently and compassionately. That is our contestant number 6. Next, we have contestant number 7, Deepa Natarajan. She's a proud native of Chennai, where she was born and raised. She is today honored to call Frisco, Texas her home, where she lives with her wonderful family. her husband of 17 years and 14-year-old daughter and 9-year-old son. She brings dedication and strategic thinking to her professional life, working full-time as a sourcing manager at a Fortune 500 manufacturing company. Her values are perseverance, honesty, and compassion. She firmly believes in pursuing her dreams and creating a positive vibe around her wherever she goes, since life is all about joy and having fun. Beyond her career and family, she is driven by arts and wellness, and her truest passions lie in expressing herself. That is our contestant number 7. Next, we have our contestant number 8. She celebrated dance entrepreneurship and a founder of DanceX Studio. Jayashree has brought the magic of Bollywood and Bharatanatyam to countless stages locally, nationally, and internationally. A creative powerhouse, she is the author and illustrator of the vibrant children's book series Meera's Magical Night, blending food, culture, dance, and storytelling into unforgettable experiences. A cultural ambassador and community leader, Jayashree collaborates with world-renowned chefs, restaurants, and organizations from Bungalow in NYC to major festivals using dance to build joy, unity, memories that last a lifetime. Give it up for contestant number 8. Next, we have contestant number 9, Vaibhavi Patel. Please welcome the inspiring Vaibhavi. From the soulful land of Gujarat, India, to building a beautiful life in Pennsylvania, Vaibhavi carries her culture, courage, and gratitude in everything she does. An inspiring author of the book Connect with Your Roots and a rising Amazon influencer, she uses her voice to uplift, empower, and guide thousands. A software professional by profession and life coach and healer by passion, she has devoted her life to helping others create the dream life they truly deserve. That is contestant number 9. Next, we have contestant number 10, Likitha Gali. A proud mother of 2 and a James Beard recognized pastry chef, she rises tonight as a mental health survivor and a champion of resilience. A curvy, body-positive, plant-based lifestyle advocate, she embraces the stage with confidence that radiates from within. Crowned Mrs. Arizona, USA 2025, she now steps forward to launch a women's self-love project in 26, celebrating every woman right to feel seen, safe, and celebrated. Journey is a proof that healing is possible, joy is earned. Next, we have contestant number 11, Amani. Amani Tuma loves to live her life with joy, gratitude, and peace. Her hobbies are painting and listening to music. She enjoys participating in fashion shows. She likes nature and admires it. Life and nature are beautiful, and she believes let's enjoy each and every moment of it. That's our contestant number 11, Amani. Give it up for our contestant number 11. Next, let's welcome contestant number 12, Kalpana Trivedi. We have a technical issue. Kalpana Trivedi's introduction. Just give us 1 second. May I please have Kalpana back in her spot again? I will call her again. call you back. Kalpana, if you can go back to your spot. Thank you. Next we have contestant number 22, Falguni Rana. For the judges, she's contestant number 22. Falguni Rana is a dancer, choreographer and her own dance school, Suhani Dance Academy, yoga teacher working full-time in ophthalmology field and a cultural ambassador in Chicago for over 40 years. She has dedicated her life to preserving and promoting Indian heritage in America, and she also won the beauty pageant in May 24 pageant, Miss Bharat Illinois. She believes in empowering and uplifting and uniting women through culture, confidence and compassion, which deeply aligns with my values. All right, and that is our contestant number 22. All right, may I please welcome contestant number 12, Kalpana Trivedi.
A very talented lady coming from Illinois, a winner from Illinois, and she is so talented. Empowerment is her focus, and that's what she's all about. Very proud of you, Kalpana. Age is just a number. With age, the bar goes off. That's what Kalpana is all about. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! So here we finish our Mrs. category round. Thank you to all our Mrs. contestants. You are looking gorgeous. Thank you so much.
All right, so may I ask all the Mrs. contestants to exit the stage, please.
Fuck up, we're going to high. Let's go.
May I call all the Miss and Teen contestants backstage, please. Next, we have our Miss and Teen category contestants who will be coming on stage for the ethnic round, the intro round. Ready? Let's begin welcoming our Miss and Teen contestants. Please give them a big round of applause as they enter the stage.
It is one of the most mysterious.
Wow, they look gorgeous, don't they? Let's welcome our contestant number 13, Divya Rathore Singh. Meet Divya Rathore, a driven pre-medical researcher, master's graduate, and community advocate. She spent years empowering young learners and working on cancer research that aims to change lives. Divya brings her creativity to everything she does. From choreographing dance to shining as a Bollywood expert, she believes in leading with purpose, passion, and heart. That is our contestant number 13, Divya Rathore Singh. contestant number 14, Samiksha Bali. Samiksha Sharma is a model, a dreamer, and a woman who believes in transforming challenges into opportunities. From a small town girl to standing on this national stage today, her journey is a reminder that when you choose courage over fear, the universe opens doors you never imagined. Tonight, she stands here as a voice of self-love. Next, we have contestant number 15, Megan Monod. She completed her bachelor's in economics from Drexel University. She's pursuing master's in Kathak dance from her guru Archana Joglekar, and she enjoys Hindustani classical singing. She's earned the Girl Scout Gold Award. She's excited to be part of this inspiring and joyful event. That is contestant number 15, Megan Monod. All right, next we have contestant number 16, Shivaika Kumar. Please welcome Shivaika, a student at NYU pursuing a double major in computer science chemistry. She tutors underprivileged students in Manhattan, researches AI-driven molecular design for biotech innovation, and explores creativity through the Fashion Business Association, working toward mastering her third language, Spanish. She looks forward to studying abroad in Spain to expand her cultural perspective and global experience. A true bridge between STEM, art, and global connection, she embodies the power of blending science, creativity, and culture to inspire limitless possibilities. Let's give a round of applause to contestant 16. Next, we have contestant number 17, Sumukha Sashi. Please welcome Sumukha, the proud winner of Miss Teen Bharat and Miss Bharat Nashville. For the past 3 years, she has served as an intern under the mayor of Nashville. For the last 3 years, she's contributed to youth leadership and civic engagement. She's also dedicated to education, tutoring elementary students in math and reading. And when she's not giving back to her community, she loves cuddling up with her cat, Pushpa Raj. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Sumukha Sashi. For the judges, contestant number 18 is not come, so we will skip on to contestant number 19. Contestant number 19, Nikki Raheja. Nikki is a powerhouse American businesswoman in the marketing and media world. A Dean's List graduate from Drexel University, she launched TTPJ Productions, Med USA Music in 2021, a full-service marketing, PR, and content creation agency. She has worked with major brands like Amazon, Audible, Meta, TikTok, and Reuters, creating cutting-edge content and driving powerhouse audience growth. Passionate about mentoring the next generation of creators, Nikki has become a one-stop creative force for brands and independent artists alike. Presenting the visionary and dynamic Nikki Raheja. Next, let's welcome contestant number 20, Mansi Bandekar. Mansi Bandekar holds a master's degree and is an electrical engineer by profession. Apart from designing the hardware chips, her passion including dancing, modeling, yoga, drawing, meditation, and hiking. She is an optimistic soul who follows her heart and loves to bring out joy and positivity in this world and fiercely believes in her inner voice. That is our contestant number 20, Mansi Bandekar. Contestant number 21, Dr. Padmaja Reddy. Dr. Padmaja is a compassionate medical doctor from Southeast Asia, now based in Alpharetta. She is an entrepreneur, director, and CEO, and proudly owns private medical practices specializing in wellness and diagnostics. A true multi-talent, she is also a classical dancer, speaks more than 10 languages, and has a deep love for traveling, cooking, and trekking. She embraces every opportunity to connect with people from diverse cultures, presenting the accomplished and inspiring Dr. Padmaja. This is for the judges. We are going to the teen category, and the teen category contestant number 24. Please welcome contestant number 24, Sanvi. Sanvi Inampudi. She is a 17-year-old first-year college student living in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. With proud roots in South India, she has been dancing her entire life and now shares that passion by teaching others. Throughout high school, Sanvi dedicated herself to serving people of all ages through numerous community service events. Through her many dance performances, she's also raised funds for underprivileged children in India, staying deeply connected to her roots and believing wholeheartedly that everyone deserves equal opportunities. Grounded in ease and gratitude, Sanvi embraces every moment, big or small, as a chance to grow into the person she strives to be. Presenting the graceful and compassionate Sanvi Inampudi. Next, we have contestant number 25, Devangi Prasannan. Devangi is 16 years old and a junior in high school. Born in India and raised in Chicago, she's currently settled in Charlotte, North Carolina. She's been in pageantry since she was 5 years old, and she's the winner of Illinois' Little Miss Queen in 2019. While in India, last year, she got to walk the ramp for Nike Converse at Junior Fashion Week 2023 and title winner for Supermodel Junior 24 and Carnival Queen for 24. Devangi is a third-degree black belt in Taekwondo and loves dancing, cooking, and art. She is looking forward to modeling journey with My Dream TV USA and to inspire generations to come. That is our beautiful contestant 25, Devangi. Next, we have contestant number 27, Sharayu Jakampudi. Sharayu is a 17-year-old from Ashburn, Virginia. She has been passionate about art and has been practicing it for over 10 years. Sharayu aspires to join the healthcare field and pursue her dream of becoming a doctor in the future. That is contestant 27. Let's welcome contestant number 28, Pooja Prashant. Introducing Pooja Prashant, a proud title holder earning Miss Teen Bharat Connecticut USA 24 and Miss Worldwide Popular USA 24, while empowering young women through Girls with Impact Entrepreneurship Training. A global learner and mentor, serving as a bilingual graphic intern for Teach to Lead, creating educational content for students in Honduras and expressing her cultural artistry through Kala Creations, a community enrichment leader for the Climate Kills initiative, leading park cleanups, educational campaigns, and fundraising to provide essentials and support for people in shelters and those experiencing homelessness. That is Pooja Prashant, contestant number 28. These are our gorgeous Miss and Teen contestants. Please give them a big round of applause as they... Thank you, Miss and Teen contestants. You may now exit the stage.
ਤੇਰਾ ਰੰਗ ਮਹਿਬੂਬ ਦਾ ਏ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਜੰਨਤ ਵਾਰ ਦੀਆਂ
May I please ask our preteen grandmom and Mr. Bharat and Mr. Bharat contestants to please line backstage. Preteen, grandmom and Mr. Bharat. All right, let's welcome contestant number 23, our grandmom contestant Asha Mehta. Please give her a big round of applause. She's come all the way from Chicago. She is an epitome of grace. Can you believe it? She is a grandmom and an inspiration to so many women. She had participated in Miss Bharat Chicago last year and had won the title for the grandmom. Give her a big round of applause. That was our grandmom contestant number 23. Now let's welcome contestant number 29, our preteen Bharat. Shivana Samir Soni. Presenting Shivana Samir Soni. 8.5 years old and already a shining star. She is the Miss Bharat Preteen Illinois winner 2025 and a Federation of India Chicago Young All-Rounder Rising Star Awards nominee in 2024. Shivana is also a duppitch swim and diving star and an accomplished dancer, making her a true all-round performer. Give her a big round of applause. Our preteen contestant. All right, thank you so much to all the contestants.